The clever peasant. Once there was a king who, while hunting, saw a peasant working in the fields and asked him, "How much do you earn per day?" "3 carlinos, your majesty," answered the peasant. "What do you do with them?" continued the king. "I eat the first one," the peasant said. "I earn interest on the second one, and I give the third one back." The king wrote, the peasant answer seemed very curious to him, and so after some time he turned to him and asked, "Tell me, what do you mean by eating the first carlino, earning interest on the second and giving the third one on back?" "I feed myself with the first one," the peasant answered. "With the second one, I feed my children, who must care for me, and when I'm old, with the third one, I feed my father, and I repay him for what he did for me." "Yes," said the king, "you're right. Promise me, however, that you will not tell this to anyone until you will have seen my face 100 times. The peasant promised, and the king rode home very pleased with himself. While sitting at the table with his minister, he said, "I will tell you a riddle. A peasant earns 3 carlinos a day. He is the first one, earns the interest on the second, and gives the third one back. What does it mean?" No one was able to answer this question. One of the ministers eventually remembered that the king had spoken with a peasant the day before, and he decided to find the peasant and get the answer from him directly. When he found the peasant, he asked him about the answer to the riddle, but the peasant said, "I cannot tell you, because I promised the king to tell no one until I've seen his face 100 times. "Oh," said the minister, "I can show you the king's face," and drew 100 coins from his pocket and gave them to the peasant. Well, of course, the king's face could be seen on each coin. "I have now seen the king's face 100 times and can tell you the answer to the riddle," the peasant declared after looking at each coin once. He then told the minister the answer to the riddle. The minister gleefully went to meet the king and said, "Your Majesty, I found the answer to the riddle. You can only have heard this from the peasant himself," the king explained. The king went to visit the peasant. "Did you not promise me to reveal the riddle only when you've seen 100 times?" he demanded angrily. "But your Majesty," answered the peasant, "your minister showed me your face 100 times. Then he showed him the bag of money the minister had given him. The king was so pleased with the clever peasant that he rewarded him and made him rich for the rest of his life. What does it mean? Common sense is often the most important thing. This Italian folk tale about a clever farmer is one of the numerous European folk tales which praise the common sense, il buon senso, and natural wit of a simple farmer. Con questo racconto auguro a tutti di leggere tante favole e tanta letteratura italiana. Grazie.